Hello everyone, this is Group12. Our project is about benchmarking Jenkins performance across different cloud service providers, including AWS, Azure, and local VMware. So first is about the introduction. CI/CD is the foundation of the modern software development. Jenkins is popular open source CI/CD tool to automate the entire process from code to development. So our goal was to deploy the Jenkins on AWS, Azure, and the local VMware, and use it to build 3 different Java projects. So here is the environment setup. We adopted the master agent architecture of the Jenkins. The master node handles job scheduling while agent nodes execute builds. This setup was development across AWS, Azure, and local VMware with varying agent configurations. So this is our uh, environmental configurations. All machines run Ubuntu 24.04. Each node is equipped with OpenJDK 17, Docker, and Jenkins LTIs. For monitoring, we use the Prometheus and Grafana to track the system metrics in real time. Here is here is our machine selections. We can see that on each platform we deploy the one master node and several agents nodes with different CPU and memory settings. This allows us to test how hardware differences affects Jenkins performances. Our build targets, we choose 3 Java projects of different sizes to test the build performances. The small one is Spring Picnic, medium one is Springboard Real World Example Apex, and a large project is the Apache Open Meetings. For reason is to evaluate how project size impacts the resource uses and to test the failure cases on low resource agents. So here is our experiment process. We can see that this is our pipeline figure of the project, and the project is about is triggered where Jenkins pipeline script consists of the cloning from GitHub, build and comparing login start and end templates, visualizing performance using Grafana. So we can, and then it's a project's running time towards the different machines agents. So we can see that small and medium projects show similar build times across the platform. Large projects like Apache Open Meeting requires more memory. And why the low space nodes fail? Because of the memory is because of the ORM filters. So here is all the resource uses of the uh, of the of the of the system, and for the real world example Apex, we can see all the uses. So this is the dashboard of the Grafana with the data source from the Prometheus. About conclusion recommendations, we can find that Jenkins build performances depends heavily on the CPU and memory, and platform performance varies significantly. Here is the recommendations of the projects. So use a master agent architecture with scalable agents and assign low resources agents for small tasks and high memory agents for large builds. And here is other recommendations. So thanks for your listening. Here is the GitHub repo of our project.